Welcome to day one of our journey into the world of introduction to digital marketing. Today, we embark on an exciting exploration of how digital platforms are transforming the way we connect, communicate, and consume. In this course, we will delve into the fundamentals of digital marketing and its significance in our daily lives. We'll explore how digital platforms and social media are shaping consumer behavior, understand key terms used in digital marketing, and uncover various aspects of digital media that will help you thrive in this field. Additionally, we'll look at growth opportunities that digital marketing presents. Marketing is the backbone of generating, nurturing, and converting leads for products, services, or organizations. Key features include customer relationship management, brand awareness, and online reputation management. Each product should have a unique selling point to drive consumer behavior effectively. The marketing mix, known as the 4P seconds, is essential for brand building and making sales. It includes product, price, promotion, and place. Each component plays a vital role in targeting the market effectively, ensuring that your brand stands out and meets consumer needs. Internet marketing, also known as online marketing, is the process of promoting brands, products, or services through the internet. It encompasses promotional advertisements, email marketing, and information dissemination through blogs, articles, reviews, and more. This approach allows businesses to reach a wider audience and engage with consumers in innovative ways. Internet marketing can be categorized into three main types: web, search engine marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. Each category offers unique strategies for promoting products and services, leveraging platforms like Google, Facebook, and email campaigns to reach and engage target audiences effectively. Internet marketing is a powerful tool for attracting consumers through digital media. It encompasses various electronic channels like the internet, mobile phones, and digital advertising. The goal is to engage consumers and ultimately drive them to purchase specific products or services. Traditional marketing is often expensive and less targeted, relying on mass communication methods. In contrast, digital marketing is cost-effective, offering precise targeting based on demographics and analytics. It provides higher ROI and allows for real-time monitoring and adjustments, making it a preferred choice for many businesses today. Digital marketing is built on key concepts like social media marketing, online advertising, and web analytics. Social media platforms offer paid promotions and organic reach, while online advertising targets consumers through search engines. Web analytics helps measure consumer behavior, enabling businesses to optimize their strategies for better engagement and conversion. Digital marketing is built on key concepts like social media marketing, online advertising, and web analytics. Social media platforms offer paid promotions and organic reach, while online advertising targets consumers through search engines. Web analytics helps measure consumer behavior, enabling businesses to optimize their strategies for better engagement and conversion. Let's meet again in Chapter 2 of the course.